Okay, took a while to find the holes. No naughty comments. And now it's a matter of fitting the sun visor and stretching the material just a little bit. Oh, there it is, in position. Passenger side has the mirror. I really think the driver should have that so he can look at himself. And she swings and it stays up at the moment. Obviously when I'm driving we'll see. Now the hang on, let me see if I can show you. There you go, there's the screws in there, and yes, I've made the slots all in the same direction. Next, to re-glue this or reattach this and put the wood on and get that final little crease out. Yeah. What are you looking at? Faded, but it says pass, as in passenger, driver, so really right and left. And what are these pieces of metal? Well, this is by way of I fucked up, and also by way of thank you very much, Dave Peach. Now, David is one of my ardent followers and often sends me emails regarding stuff and pictures of his stuff. These pieces of metal are what go on the B-post strips. Hang on. Right, here is my original passenger B-post strip cover. So we let that go and we look underneath and look, there are two more holes. That hole there and, excuse me, come on. This hole here holds the wood. This one. These two hold these metal brackets. And yes, they are what tuck underneath the main piece of wood that comes down and is slotted on and holds this piece back, which I was having a struggle with because I was relying on this clip and it really was having, well, it couldn't do it. Once again, thank you, Dave Peach, for an amazing picture that he sent me showing this. And I will insert that picture here because I haven't done these yet. But anyway, I'll show you that picture. Thanks, Dave. Really appreciate it. You subscribers are fucking amazing. And this is how it looks when it's done properly. Once again, thank you, Mr. Peach. Yours look like crap, mine look wonderful. Yes, I'm kidding. Had it not been for him, I wouldn't be at this stage. Looks like I'll have to remove this. I think this one gets in the way. I noticed on his piece that that clip is not there, and that's probably for a reason. Okay, now that really is it for this video. I know it's kind of a strange one, kind of short maybe. Next I'm going to, the next video will be doing the rear lights, getting those in, finishing off the sun visors, which I will show you at the beginning of the next video. And then you can all go out and finish off your Mark IIs and beat me to the punch. Now get out my garage, go do some shit.